can any one of us imagine a situation where any of a relative is brutally tortured and beaten to death for a mere crime which is not actually a crime, is just a mistake, acceptably small mistake? No, we cannot imagine of such a situation, and we don't even want to think about such things. But when such a brutal and barbaric incident has happened to a family in India itself, we are still not talking about it, we are not taking stand for it. Now look at the hypocrisy level of us all. We can take stand for George Floyd, an African American in United States who was strapped to death by a cop. But ain't nobody talking about the two men from Toothukudi, Tamil Nadu, Jairaj and his son Phoenix, who were beaten to death under police custody. The two very similar cases, but the extent of hype or the level of inching is completely different. Now let me just tell you the charges imposed on the duo for violating and exceeding 15 minutes of time permitted during lockdown. The two were booked under Section 188, disobedience to order duly promulgated by public servant, Section 353, use of force to deter a public servant from duty, Section 269, negligent act likely to spread infection of the disease dangerous to life, Section 506, punishment for criminal intimidation of the Indian Penal Code. George Floyd's case got viral within seconds and every news channel was flashing every single detail related to it. But hardly any news channel is talking about these South Indians, and ain't no debates being conducted over this issue. But do you know the core reason behind Indian media doing so? Because they care for TRP. And TRP comes from audience, viewers, that's us. So more clearly, we take better interest in knowing internal businesses of other countries rather paying heed to what's happening across our own. At the time of George Floyd's murder, many Indians had trended hashtags and updated black pictures as condolence to the deceased. But why aren't the same people raising their voice for a similar act of injustice in India? I'm not saying that raising voice for George Floyd was wrong. I absolutely appreciate that. One should definitely speak against any sort of inhuman activity across any part of the world. All I'm saying is we must not sideline other issues such as Jairaj and Phoenix. They were subjected to same level of brutality, same level of torture as George Floyd. So it's a collective issue of concern. We need to raise our voice. We need to speak up against such inhuman police officials. Police is supposed to protect us and look after any sort of offense going around. But it is not at all permitted to take away lives of innocents. If you like this video, so please hit the like button and do let me know your reviews in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends as much as you can. You can also follow me on Instagram as The Analytical Youth. I have mentioned the link of my Instagram handle in the description box below. Stay connected for more such videos. Thank you so much.